In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an XML file into your WordPress website. Whether you're migrating content or just updating your current site with new information, understanding how to properly import XML files is a valuable skill. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. When you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard, where you'll find the Tools menu. Hover over Tools, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Import. This is the section where you'll start the import process for your XML file. Once you're in the Import section, you might notice a variety of options for different file types. Since we're working with XML files, look for the WordPress option, which is usually at the bottom of the list. If you see an Install Now button next to it, don't worry. This simply means that the WordPress Importer plugin isn't installed yet. Click Install Now, and once it's done installing, you'll see that the button changes to Run Importer. Go ahead and click Run Importer to proceed. The next page will prompt you to upload your XML file. Click the Choose File button to browse your computer for the file you want to import. Once you've selected the XML file, hit the Upload File and Import button to begin the upload process. After your file has been uploaded, the next step involves assigning authors to the content from the imported file. You have the choice to either assign the posts to an existing user on your WordPress site or create a new user specifically for this content. Carefully consider which option is best for organizing your content. Once you've made a decision, continue to the last step in this section. You'll also notice an option to download and import file attachments. Checking this box is crucial if you want to bring over all the images and media files associated with your XML file. Make sure this box is checked if that's your goal. When you're ready, click the Submit button to finalize the import process. The import may take a little time depending on the size of your file and the amount of content it contains. Once the import is complete, you should receive a confirmation message letting you know that your content has been successfully imported. And there you have it. You've successfully imported an XML file into your WordPress site. Remember that after the import, it's always a good idea to review your site to ensure that everything imported correctly. Look over your pages and posts to confirm that all the media, content, and formatting are intact. If you encounter any issues, it might be necessary to re-import or check whether the uploaded XML file was correctly formatted from the start. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it has demystified the process of importing XML files into WordPress. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to leave a comment and we'll do our best to assist you. Happy blogging!